My topic is differential equations. A differential equation is an equation which involving an unknown function and its derivatives. The derivatives may be sometimes one dependent variable with respect to one or more independent variables. Here these differential equations are two types. One is ordinary differential equation and the one is partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation is a differential equation which involves one dependent variable with respect to one independent variable. And the partial differential equations are an equation which is involve the partial derivative. The partial derivatives may be one dependent function and its derivatives with respect to two or more independent variables. Here the major applications for the differential equation says Newton's law of cooling. That Newton's law of cooling says that the temperature of a body which is directly proportional to the difference of the temperature of the body and the surrounding medium. With the help of this equation we can find the temperature of a body at any time. For example, if you take a coffee, initially it is very cool. After 10 seconds or after 15 seconds it is slowly cooled down. If it is keep in an air, the proportion of cooling is very fast. If you keep it in a ice, then it is fastly cooling. If it is keep in a hot air, then it is slowly cooling. That means that there is a difference between the cooling proportionate, which is the depends on the surrounding media. The surrounding media is once in a air, once in a ice water, once in a hot air. There is a lot of difference between the temperature, and with the help of this we can find the temperature of a body at any time.